Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So I have purchased this Vimtag outdoor security camera from Amazon. This is in 1080 pixel and this is a Wi-Fi camera. So I'm gonna do unboxing of this. So if I go for the features, like you can view it via phone. It has got motion detection. You can store the footage using a TF card. Two-way audio, you can speak to the people. Wi-Fi connection. You can see this Wi-Fi antenna. Multiple people can watch. Auto daylight, cloud storage, phone alarm, and waterproof. Yeah, if you're gonna use it in Canada, it has to be waterproof because snowfall happens all the time. Okay, so I took this off. Now what I have here, let's see. So there's a box inside, and let's see if I can do it with one hand. So I've opened the box, and here are the things I have got. Surprise, okay. Then I have a happy life card, thank you. I have a warranty card, okay. And I have an instruction manual about how to configure. Now in this camera, it's like got a lot of controls and points. Like this is Wi-Fi antenna that you have to connect here, okay. Then I have got a stand with some screws that you need to put it on the wall to fix it. This is adjustable so that you can adjust. Alright, and then you see this camera, it has got this connection. So here in these ports, you have this for Ethernet and you have this for power cable as well. And they have given you some Ethernet wire as well, because initially you need to connect to a router to configure it. Some holders are here. That's really good. So I don't need any setup box. I can do it with my app, and then I should be good to go. So, and you know what? Guess the cost of this camera. This is like very heavy and looks. I mean, it should be stable. So this is just $45 I have got from Amazon, around that. So it's really good. Thanks for watching this, guys.